everyone, good evening. A very warm welcome to this special live session. Let's see who all have joined in. I can see Maitri is here, Disha is here, Nihal, Krishnavi, Muralidharan, OJ Official, Abhijit, Urmila, Nikesh, Gungun, Rishit. Welcome guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. Niriksha, Bhagya, Adi, Divyanshi, Harshit, so many kids are joining in. That's awesome. You people wanted us to come up with a good revision session, right? So consider it done because that is the agenda for today. Today we'll have full syllabus Menti Quiz session for you people. How excited are you? Tell me in the comment section. I know Menti सुनते ही आप लोग बहुत excited हो जाते हो. सारी competitive spirit आ जाती है. So tell me how excited are you for today's session? Good evening guys, welcome. Hi Sneha, Haripriya, Lavya, Divyansh, good to have you back guys. Super excited, awesome. Even I am really excited for this session. Great, as excited as sodium, okay. Reactivity series भी साथ में revise हो रही है. Potassium, alright. Super duper excited. Great. Awesome guys, yes, this is the funda, this is the base for today. We really want to have effective revision so that अगर थोड़ी सी भी anxiety है, थोड़ा सा भी fear है, वो भी निकल जाए. Though I am very sure you people are really confident and आज जब हम Menti Quiz करेंगे, you will be giving answers really quick. Yes, can I expect that from you? Good evening guys, good evening. Yes, Rukmani, both chapter. Complete term 2 syllabus. You're new, all right. Welcome. I hope you will find this session interesting then. Muralidharan कह रहा है, yes, we will be really fast. Great. See, जैसे Menti Quiz पढ़ते हो, I know कुछ competitive spirit आप लोगों में आ जाती है. Okay, all right. So two things. First of all, quickly confirm that this setup is working fine. You can hear me properly, see me properly, and you can have a view of this PPT as well. Yeah, give me a quick thumbs up for that. फटाफट से green signal दे दो, so that we get started. Absolutely. We will be starting pretty soon. You know the drill. Let me know quickly first. Loads of thumbs up, loads of smileys in the comment section if this setup is working fine. Great, awesome guys, this is really cool. Thank you for giving me a good to go. Thank you for giving me a green signal. Yes, I can see the green signal. Great guys, all right. Okay, so without further delay, log into www.menti.com. And there they will be asking you for a code. जैसे ही आप menti.com खोलोगे, एक कोड पूछेंगे आपसे, and that code is right there. 42621341. That is the code. Great. Yes, welcome guys. I can see so many of you've joined in. Super duper excited. Thank you so much. Even I'm really excited for this session. Yes, all you have to do is type www.menti.com, and the moment you open, they are going to ask you for a code. Code is 42621341. Come on guys, quickly join in. Meanwhile, let me do one thing. Let me explain you the drill. Let me explain you what's going to happen today. So, I'll be shooting questions one by one. All you need to do is select the correct answer as quickly as possible. तो दो चीजें करनी है, सही आंसर भी select करना है and जल्दी select करना है. Yes? So we have all kinds of questions for you today. There are going to be difficult questions, easy questions, mediocre questions. हर category का question आपको मिलेगा. जो easy questions हैं, उनको lightning speed से answer करना है, बहुत जल्दी answer करना है because their speed is going to be the dominating factor. Yes? And for the ones which are a bit difficult, वहाँ आपको थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. So keep your brain stimulated because those questions would require a bit of thinking. Yes? I hope सारे concepts आपने brush up कर लिए हैं. Great, awesome. So be ready with a pen, a paper, and a lot of competitive spirit because we are going to have an amazing session together. Give me a thumbs up if you're there on the menti.com now. Give me a thumbs up that yes, ma'am, we're all set. We can start with the session. We can start with the quiz. Ready to rapid fire. All right. Great, awesome. I can see more and more kids are joining in. Super great. Loads of thumbs up are coming my way. In fact, I wish you all the best because now the quiz is going to start. So पूरा focus quiz पे लगाएंगे and हमने पुराने मेंटी सेशंस में देखा है कि कई बार हम जल्दी में आंसर देने में ना गलत आंसर को टिक कर देते हैं. So be patient, be wise, take your time but not so much of time. ठीक है? स्पीड का भी ध्यान रखना है, करेक्टनेस का भी ध्यान रखना है, करेक्ट आंसर मार्क करना है, जल्दी में गलत नहीं करना. That is the worst kind of mistake that we can do. Silly mistake नहीं करना. Okay? All right, Komal, Shivanshu, Jia, Haripriya. I can see some new kids as well. Welcome guys, welcome to BYJU'S and let's get started. Let's see who all have joined in. We are waiting for all of you. And here you are. Awesome guys. Great, great, great. Thank you, Kritika. All right, let's dive straight into it. So the first question is on your screen now. Let's see what the first question of the session is. Which amongst the following elements has the maximum atomic radius? All right, okay. So the catchphrase here is atomic radius, maximum atomic radius. Your options are chlorine, silicon, phosphorus or magnesium. We are running out of time, so you need to speed up quickly. I can see most of you are landing on the correct answer. Chat box mein to everybody is landing on the correct answer. And time's up. Let's see. So you people went with option D. Most of you went with option D, which was the correct answer. Well done, guys. For the ones who've gone with option A, B or C, don't worry. Not to worry at all. This session is all about realizing where we made a mistake, right? So we will be sharing the solution also with you people and let's see. Okay, they all are belonging to the same period. These are the elements in the same period. Now, as we go across the period from left to right, what happens? Effective nuclear charge increases. Because of which, what is going to happen to the size? Size is going to decrease. Now, clearly, magnesium left par hai, to bach gaya. Isn't it? So magnesium has the highest atomic radius. Yes? Quickly like this if you've understood where you made a mistake. And give me loads of smileys in the comment section if you got this one right. So this way I'll understand. Yeah? So this is how you were supposed to answer this question. I hope you've understood this one. All right. Let's attack the next question together. So question number 2 is right in front of you guys. Be ready this time. Mark the correct answer only. An element X forms an acidic oxide. What will be its position in the modern periodic table? Alright, I can't wait to see what's the correct answer for this one. So, is it option A, group 1, period 3, option B, group 2, period 3, option C, group 13, period 3, or option D, group 16, period 3. Now, the good part is, all are period 3 elements. This kind of makes our task easy, yes? Most of you in the chat are going with option D. Let's see guys. And in fact, that is the correct answer. So you know when you people said in the beginning कि मैम आज हम बहुत अच्छे से prepared हैं, you just start with the quiz. I think you people were actually right. It is awesome to see that most of you are landing on the correct answer. Great. I'm sure by the end of the session, in a way, जितने बच्चों का सही आंसर आ रहा है वो नंबर बढ़ता जाएगा. Yeah? Can I expect that from you? Great. All right. So let's understand this question. If you know the answer, if you've marked the correct answer, you can revise and recall. In case you've marked it wrong, this is the time to understand where you made a mistake. Okay. Now, in general, metals are basically forming what kind of oxides? They are forming basic oxides, and non-metals are forming acidic oxides, right? Now, as you go from left to right across a period, basic nature क्या हो रहा है? Decrease. Acidic nature क्या हो रहा है? Increase. Down the group, there is not much change, right? Now, group 1, period 3. This element, this particular element is a metal. It's going to form a basic oxide. Similarly, group 2, period 3. I want you to actually tell me कि कौन से elements हैं. I'm sure you can figure out. Period 3 तक हमने सबने करा है. Tell me these 4 elements, okay? Group 2, period 3, again it's a metal forming a basic oxide. Then group 13, period 3, metal, and this time this metal is forming amphoteric oxide. Which is this metal forming amphoteric oxide? Let's see who's going to be the first one to answer this. Raj Lakshmi wants to see the leaderboard. Yes, the leaderboard is going to come pretty soon. Just some questions more, and then we'll show you the leaderboard. Aluminium. Great, awesome, yes. Aluminium forms amphoteric oxides, right? Okay, so group 16, period 3, non-metal acidic oxide. Non-metallic oxides are going to be acidic in nature. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, sulfur. Awesome. See, you people know this thoroughly, which is the best part. Yeah? Alright, so this was the idea behind this question. If you got this one right, give me thumbs up. If you've understood your mistake, give me a smiley. So let's see. Quickly, we have to be really quick in today's session. आपको बहुत जल्दी interact करना है because I've got loads of questions for you people. आज अच्छे से practice करेंगे हम. Yes, I can see thumbs up, I can see smileys. Good to know that you got this one right, and in case you got this one wrong, good to know that you've understood where you made a mistake. That is the most important thing, right? हमें पता होना चाहिए हमने गलती कहाँ करी, ताकि हम वो गलती repeat ना करें, board exam में repeat ना करें, which is like the main exam. Yes? Alright, chalo, let's move on to the next question now. So this is question number 3, and the question is right in front of you. Which of the following compounds will have the lowest melting point? Now guys, lightning speed से answer कर दो. बहुत basic question है. Lowest melting point. Is it chloroform? Is it common salt, magnesium oxide, or calcium chloride? Yes? Chat is flooding with answers. You people are so well prepared, and this is awesome. This is awesome to know कि इतने अच्छे से आपने preparation करी हुई है. And time's going to be up. I hope you got this one right. Let's see. So the correct answer was option A, which again most of you got it right. Awesome guys, amazing. I am having so much of fun today. And you know, so much of satisfaction to see that you people are landing on the correct answer. Yeah? Okay, let's quickly check what is the correct answer and how to present the answer. So, out of the 4 options that were being given to you, option A was chloroform, right? It's a covalent compound. It's going to have low intermolecular force of attraction and therefore, of course, low melting and boiling point. Baki तीनों क्या थे? What is common salt, guys? I know you could figure out in option C and D. What is common salt? Quickly, let's see who's going to answer this one first. Common salt. Aditya ने answer कर दिया NaCl. Correct. Great. Awesome. Let's continue with the next question with the same energy that you people are having. Yes? Alright, so the next question, that is question number 4, is right in front of you. Which of the following is the correct representation of the electron dot structure of nitrogen gas? Yeah? I am sure you will get this one right. You people have a lot of potential. This, by now I have realized it already. बहुत potential है. Correct answers आप लोग mark कर रहे हो. I have a lot of people voting for option D. Okay, let's see. I hope you're not finding these options confusing. Yeah? Alright, time's up. Let's find out if you've got this one right or not. Oh my god, 200 of you've got this one right. Great, awesome guys. You made my day. Is question ko almost everybody got this right, and this just shows कि आपको electron dot structure बहुत अच्छे से आता है. And you're like, ma'am, कोई भी question दे दो, we'll just nail the question. बहुत अच्छे से हम attempt करके आएंगे. And I can see you people ace the exam already. Okay, when we talk about nitrogen, what do you have to remember for this? You have to remember the atomic number, which is 7. So 7 protons, 7 electrons, and how do we place these 7 electrons? 2 in the K shell, 5 in the L shell. So you can see over here, 5 electrons are being placed. So when we talk about electron dot structure, we are just concerned with what? With the valence electrons. Yes, 5 electrons are there, 5 valence electrons, they have been placed over here, and out of them, you can clearly see 3 are being shared and it's forming a triple bond. Yes? Alright. I think you guys are really enjoying this. I can see that. And for a change, I am not getting mix of answers in the comment section. I am getting unanimous votes. Yeah? Alright, let's move on. And this is going to be question number 5. Now this is going to be an important question, because after this, I'm going to show you the leaderboard. Okay? So, question number 5 is right in front of you. Try to get this one right. क्या पता आप leaderboard change कर दो. Identify the unsaturated compounds from the following: propane, propene, propyne, chloropropane. Now guys, look at the 4 options carefully. There's going to be more than one compound which is unsaturated. If you know what is unsaturated compound, you've got this one covered then. You've got the answer right then. Yeah? Alright, clock is ticking. Speed up guys, speed up. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! That's it. Let's see. Seriously, 232 students got this one right. I mean, it's literally all of you getting this one right. Great. Awesome. I can see your energy. I can see how you people have channelized your energy. Let's see how to solve this one. So when we talk about unsaturated compounds, we're talking about something that contains double or triple bond between carbon-carbon atom, right? So carbon-carbon double bond are your alkenes, carbon-carbon triple bond are your alkynes. Based on this, it is very clear that propene and propyne are unsaturated and propane and chloropropane are very much saturated. Chloropropane में halogen आ गया, उससे confuse नहीं होना. Halogen is there, but carbon-carbon में bond कैसा है? Single है ना? So इसलिए confuse नहीं होना. Only in case of propene you see a double bond, and in case of propyne you can identify a triple bond. Yes? Great, awesome. So let's look at the scoreboard now. I know you people are waiting for this. I think, let's see. Let me not think. Let's see who is there at the top. And we have Murali Dharan, who is the fastest over here. Well done. Hari Murali Dharan. Okay, then we've got Charvi, Harshita, Ritika, Apar, Kaniz. Kaniz was constantly saying, ma'am, jaldi leaderboard dikha do bas. Jaldi aa jao next question pe. So good to see your name over here, Kaniz. Kanav, Preetam, Pratyush, Chemistry Philip. Nice. So in case anybody is phobic, we'll try to change your version by the end of this session. Yeah? Great. All right. Let's move on. And this is going to be question number 6. Now, in case your name was there, guys, you have to maintain it. In case your name is not there, pep up, charge up. आपको और जल्दी से आंसर देना है. Make sure कि कोई question का आंसर गलत ना हो. सो फर्स्ट थिंग जस्ट मेक श्योर कि हमें किसी क्वेश्चन का गलत आंसर नहीं देना. पहला आपका ये ट्राई होना चाहिए. सेकेंड इज टू स्पीड अप. या so question number 6 is right in front of you. I can see you people are really well prepared, by the way. Which of the following does not belong to the same homologous series? We've got 4 very pretty options with us: CH4, C2H6, C3H8 or C4H8. Guys, read the question carefully. It says does not belong. कोई silly mistake नहीं करेगा इसमें. I've even highlighted the catchphrase for you people. Does not belong. And rest, of course, you know you have to figure out the homologous series. 4 compounds given है. You know that, you know, एक general formula आपको apply करना है जिस पे applicable नहीं हुआ, that is going to be the correct answer. Yes? Great. Well, I can see some of the comments are really entertaining. You people are really enjoying this session. All right, time's up. Again, most of you got this one correct. Great. I mean, I think by the end of the session, I'll just say great, awesome, well done, because this is how you people are performing. I'll be short of words very soon. बहुत अच्छा आप लोग perform कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी आपकी preparation है, and this session is going to give you a very good revision. And I can clearly see you people are very serious about this session. आप बहुत अच्छे से attempt कर रहे हो. All right. Talking about the general formula of alkanes, we know that when we talk about homologous series, functional group आएगा and उसका एक general formula होता है. For alkanes, it's going to be CnH2n plus 2. अब n कुछ भी हो सकता है, 1, 2, 3 and so on and so forth, right? If n is equal to 1, you've got CH4, n equal to 2, you've got C2H6, n equal to 3, C3H8, n equal to 4, C4H10, which means C4H8 is not there. C4H8 कौन से फैमिली को बिलोंग करेगा बताओ. I'll keep asking you questions in between as well. कौन सी फैमिली को बिलोंग करेगा जल्दी से बता दो मुझे. C4H8 अगर एल्केन नहीं है तो क्या है? एल्कीन. सबसे पहले किसने आंसर करा? Let's see. अनन्या कुकरेजा was the first one to answer this one कि वो एल्कीन होगा. Correct. So you've got all of them, like most of first 3 options were alkene and the next one was alkene. Therefore, that was the answer. Yeah? Great, awesome. Let's see what's the next question. This is question number 7 and ये question आपकी screen पे ये रहा. Which of the following is the first member of the alkyne homologous series? Guys, now we are talking about alkyne. Alkane, alkene की बात करी थी, अब alkyne की बात हो रही है. C2H2, C2H4, C3H4, CH4. ऐसे questions जब आते हैं, all you need to know is the general formula. And of course, you should know what to keep the value of n. So go ahead, try this out and tell me, out of ABCD, which is the correct answer. And clock is ticking. Speed up, guys. इस question में I can see a mix of answers in the chat box. Yeah, so 196 of you got this correct, option A. Some of you went with option B. Very less of you went with option D. Okay, B and C में कुछ बच्चों ने किया. Majorly सबने इसका correct answer दिया. Again, let's see what the solution is. I'm sure इस question में अगर आपने गलत answer दिया, it has to be a misclick. Because it's a very basic question. All you need to do is know the general formula. Yeah? Okay, let's see. When we talk about alkynes, just like alkanes have a general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkenes have a general formula CnH2n, alkynes have a general formula CnH2n minus 2. Yeah? Give me a thumbs up if it's clear till here. Great, awesome. Now, in case of alkynes, you really cannot put n equal to 1, can you? Try putting n equal to 1, what will happen? It will be C1H0, isn't it? Which is like just carbon, right? So we start with n equal to 2. For n equal to 2, that is going to be the first member, C2H2, which is ethyne. Yes? Great, awesome. Yes, Rishan. Rishan is saying कि मैम मिसक्लिक हो गया. वो ही नहीं करना गाइस. इजी क्वेश्चंस में जल्दी आंसर देना है, बट जल्दी में गलती नहीं करनी. फर्स्ट आपका फोकस होना चाहिए कि हमें सही आंसर देना है. या ग्रेट, ऑसम. चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is question number 8. I hope you're ready because the next question is going to be loaded really soon and it's right there. The elements A, B, C, D and E have atomic number 9, 11, 17, 12 and 13 respectively. Which pair of elements belong to the same group? Okay. एटॉमिक नंबर्स आपको गिवन है, आपको बताना है कि कौन से ऐसे एलिमेंट्स हैं जो सेम ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं. उस एटॉमिक नंबर से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन निकालो एंड देन रेस्ट आई थिंक विल बी सॉर्टेड फॉर यू. बट you've got really less time left. I hope you've got this one right. You had to think about this one. I know. Still most of you got this one right. Well done guys. Option A and C elements, that option is going to be the correct one, which is option C. Third option, yes. 191 students got this one right. Great. So let's see what's the idea behind this question. For every question, we are not just giving you the question कि यार ये question था, ये answer था. We also want you to understand कि fundamental idea चल क्या रहा है उस question के पीछे. तो let's see. These are the elements A, B, C, D, E, right? You can see the elements over here. These are the atomic numbers based on the atomic number, in a way, number of protons, right? And that is going to be equal to the number of electrons. The moment you know the number of electrons, you would know how to write the electronic configuration. Yeah? So, for A, atomic number is 9, configuration is 2, 7. For B, it's 11, 2, 8, 1. For C, it's 17, 2, 8, 7. D, it's 12, 2, 8, 2. E, it's 13, 2, 8, 3. Now in case of A and C, what do we see? They've got the same number of valence electrons, which means they're going to belong to the same group. Yes? Is this question crystal clear to all of you? Group 17, Shivanshu says. Oh, you got this one wrong. Rank खराब होने वाली है. It's okay. We've got loads of questions for you people. A quick yes or a no if you found your mistakes so that we move on and we continue with the same spirit. Yes, clear. All right. So on this note, let's move on to question number 9. And the question is right there on your screen. What is the location of the element with electronic configuration 2,8 in the modern periodic table? Okay, be very careful if we're talking about the modern periodic table over here. Configuration आपको given है 2,8. Group 8 period 3, Group 2 period 2, Group 18 period 2, Group 10 period 4. Think about this one. 2,8. आपको confuse करने के लिए कुछ options दिए हैं. बट यू नो, जहां तक मैं आपकी प्रिपरेशन समझ पा रही हूँ, आई एम प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि आप में से कोई कंफ्यूज नहीं होने वाला. एंड आई वाज राइट. थैंक यू फॉर प्रूविंग मी राइट. ऑप्शन सी वाज द करेक्ट आंसर. मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट दिस वन राइट. लेट्स सी हाउ वाज दिस द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन एज 2,8, वी नो दैट देयर आर 10 electrons. Atomic number is going to be 10, right? Now valence electron are going to tell you about the group number, correct? For 8 valence electrons, the group number would be 10 plus 8, which is 18. So now we know the group number. For the period number, what do you have to see? You have to see the number of shells. How many shells are there? There are 2 shells, K and L. So period 2. So group 18, period 2. And confuse करने के लिए group 8 वाला भी कोई option था. So हम confuse नहीं होंगे. हमारे concepts बिल्कुल clear हैं. हमारी नॉलेज बिल्कुल सॉर्टेड है. वी हैव टू अप्लाई द नॉलेज इन द राइट वे. यस, ऑल राइट. अमित जस्ट वांट्स टू सी द लीडर बोर्ड अगेन. चलो, वी आर अबाउट टू शो यू द लीडर बोर्ड एज वेल, बट फर्स्ट you need to solve this question number 10, and after this the leader board is going to come. Amit, Sharad also wants to see the leaderboard. Okay, solve this question and then I will show you the leaderboard. Let's see what is question number 10. Element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. Alright, noted. Determine the valency of X. 4 options हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Element X क्लोराइड फॉर्म कर रहा है, फॉर्मूला गिवन है. क्लास 9th में हमने इससे देखा था कि कैसे हम कंपाउंड्स के फॉर्मूला बनाते हैं. जस्ट रिवर्स इट, ओके. Based on that, you will be able to calculate the valency. In a way, I've given you the hint. Yeah? Unanimous vote आ रहा है. I kind of already knew that you will get this one right because you know, looking at the chat box, I could figure out कि एक ही option पे बार-बार सब बच्चे लिख रहे हैं कि मैम ये वाला सही है. So I kind of already knew कि I'm about to say well done. Okay. Formula XCl2 आपको given है, right? X will be the symbol and क्लोरीन के लिए Cl. अब हमें X की भी वैलेंसी नहीं पता, बट हमें Cl की पता है, 1 होती है. It gains 1 electron to become stable. अब फॉर्मूला अगर XCl2 है, clearly tells us कि X की वैलेंसी क्या हो गई? 2 हो गई, which was the correct answer. So as I said, I knew I would have to say well done. So well done, you got this one right. Okay, excited to see the leaderboard again. Chat box में जल्दी से मुझे बता दो if you're excited. Thumbs up दो, smiley दो. Any indication, just let me know कि मैम बस अब जल्दी से leaderboard दिखाओ. विशेष तो बहुत excite हो रहा है. हरिप्रिया, शालिनी, yes, all right. तो शालिनी की बात मानते हैं. And let's load the leaderboard. Let's see how do the scores look like now. थोड़ा सा change हो गया, I guess. Kaniz is at the top now. Very impressive performance, Kaniz. Slowly you're just getting at the top of the leaderboard. Awesome. Pratyush, Harshita, Pradhiswar, Nishant. Then we have Charvi, Weber, Preetam, Aryan, Mr. Prestigious. All right. Some new names are there, some old names are there. This is getting really exciting. Let's see what's going to happen because margin is not too much. Let's see. All right. Let's load the next question. Question number 11 is right in front of you guys. कोई overconfident नहीं होगा अभी, okay? Which of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the periodic table? 4 options हैं आपके पास. Atomic radius, metallic character, valence electrons and number of shells. Okay. I kind of feel that this is like a मासूम question, easy सा question है. बिल्कुल भी खुराफाती question नहीं है. Completely doable. But इन में आपकी पूरी knowledge periodic की check कर लेते हैं कि आपको trends के बारे में कुछ पता है कि नहीं. And in next 3 seconds, time's going to be up. I hope you voted for the correct answer. Again, most of you got this one right. That means your concepts are really clear. I know for the ones who've got some questions wrong, most of you are in a hurry to answer. Haste में answer कर रहे हो, कुछ भी mark कर रहे हो जल्दी में. Otherwise, I know you know the concept. But still, if in case you got this one wrong because of some conceptual clarity that you need to have, we will tell you the solution as well. Down the group, when we go, what happens? New shells are being added. Yes. Effective nuclear charge is decreasing down the group, due to which what is happening? Size is going to increase. तो shells बढ़ रहे हैं, size बढ़ रहा है. अब अगर effective nuclear charge कम हो रहा है तो metallic character भी बढ़ जाएगा. What is metallic character? It's the tendency to lose electron. अगर attraction कम हो रही है, nuclear charge कम हो रहा है तो tendency to lose would obviously increase. तो ये तीन तो increase हो रहा है, but what is not increasing? Valence electrons, because they remain the same. That is why down the group, even valency remains same. Yes? Neelam is saying, can I join now? Absolutely. So for the ones who've just joined us, quickly log into www.menti.com and they are going to ask you for a code over there, which is 42621341. Quickly join. Jaldi se aa jao and start the quiz from here. You're more than welcome. All right, chalo. Let's move on. Now we have question number 12 that is going to be right in front of you. Ta-da! There's the question. All the best, guys. The question says an element X with atomic number 12 forms a compound with element Y with atomic number 17. What is the formula of the compound? Now we've done a similar question. वही knowledge apply करनी है. You have all the knowledge. Now is the time to apply it. Is it XY? Is it XY2, X2Y or X2Y3? Atomic number 12, atomic number 17. All right. Let's see how many of you got this one right. And again, most of you got this one right. The correct answer was option B. Let's see how. Okay. Atomic number 12 would mean that the configuration is 282. 2 electron lose करना बहुत आसान है rather than gaining 6 electrons. So valency क्या हो गई? For X, it's going to be 2. Sorted till here. Give me a quick thumbs up if this is clear. Now for element Y, atomic number क्या है हमारा? 17, right? 287. Again, it's easy to gain 1 electron than to lose 7 electrons. Valency क्या हो गई? 1. All you need to do is just crisscross their charges. So for X, it's 2, for Y, it's 1, just crisscross and you'll get the formula as X1, Y2, which is nothing but XY2. Yes? Radhika says, my Menti crash. It's okay, Radhika, just go back, join again, and you can start from the very question that you join in. Great, awesome. I can see loads of you giving me a thumbs up over here. Victory sign. Awesome. Yes, it's XY2. Let's move on. कोई भी confidence अपना lose नहीं करेगा. कोई भी overconfident नहीं होगा. These questions are there for your practice. These questions are there to refine your practice. And on this note, question number 13 is right in front of you. Let's see what's the question. How many structural isomers can you draw for pentane? Is it 3, 5, 2 or 4? Quickly guys, 3, 5, 2 or 4. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. अगर आपने ये आंसर कर दिया सही से, which means आपको स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमर्स बहुत अच्छे से आ गए. You have to form the isomers in rough and put the correct answer over here. Mark the correct answer over here. All right, time's up. Okay, this time again, most of you got this one right, but I can see that there are some kids who are a bit confused when it comes to isomers. So, I'm going to discuss the solution. Pay a lot of attention over here. Pay all your attention over here to understand the concept properly. यहाँ जो मर्जी करती कर लो, एग्जाम में नहीं करनी है. Yes, and for that you need to know what the correct answer is, what's the correct solution. Now for isomers, क्या होता है isomers? आपका molecular formula same होगा, but structures आपके different होंगे. Yes, अब pentane की बात करते हैं. So 5 carbon atoms are there. तो पहला skeleton जब आप बनाओगे, straight chain बना दोगे. Second skeleton में आप एक single branching करोगे and then carbon के साथ आप hydrogen join कर दोगे. Depending upon the valency. Yeah, don't forget that. Okay. For the third isomer, you've kept it doubly branched. There you go. 3 isomers are possible. Obviously, no further branching can be done. Yes? So, if you've got the solution, if you've understood the solution, Aditi says, got it. I hope all of you are on the same page. You also got it. Yes, give me a quick thumbs up so that we move on. Hi Smriti Yadav, welcome. Disha ने तो नाम भी लिख दिए. Great. All right, Ankit Mishra says same page. So let's move on. This is question number 14 and let's see what the question says. Let's load the question. Okay. Another question on isomers. Structural isomers have same structural formula and structures. Same molecular formula but different structures, same structures but different molecular formula, different structures and molecular formula. Okay, we just discussed this. If you were paying attention, you will get this one right. If you're awake, you'll get this one right. This is like as simple as that. अगर जागे हो तो पक्का सही आंसर मार्क करोगे क्योंकि we have just discussed this one. And time's up. चलो सब जागे हुए हैं. Great. Good to know that because yes, you've got this one right. Option B was the correct answer. 237 of you got this one correct. So structural isomers, these are the compounds that are going to have the same molecular formula as we just discussed, right? But they're going to have different structures. That means structural formula. They will not be looking alike. उनकी structures अलग होंगे. Yes? Great, awesome. Okay, Aditya is asking for the Menti Quiz code. It is 42621341. If you've just joined in, log in kar lo, www.menti.com 42621341. Meanwhile, let's move on to the next one. Question number 15, and again, this is going to be an important question. Kyunki iske baad, we are going to see the leaderboard. And I think anyone can catch up. बहुत अच्छा कंपटीशन चल रहा है, बहुत हेल्दी कंपटीशन चल रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत सीरियसली सॉल्व करना. Which of the following options correctly represents the increasing order of metallic character? Okay, these options seem a bit confusing, but obviously only one option is correct. Put on your thinking caps to answer this one. That's why it's just before the leaderboard reveal, right? Because इस एक क्वेश्चन से जो लीडर बोर्ड है हमारा वो कैसा दिखने वाला है, it might change. The question says increasing order of metallic character, which means जिसका metallic character सबसे कम है वो सबसे पहले आएगा, and then it's going to go and it's going to increase. Paritosh is saying, ma'am, I got this one wrong. It's okay, it's just a quiz. We are here to practice only. Hi Tanya, I'm good. I hope you're doing well too. Okay, most of you got this one right. But again, we need to discuss the solution. I know you might have faced a bit of problem in this question. That's why we've put this over here so that you understand the concept here itself. And if such a question comes in the exam, by that time you are really confident. Okay, let's see. So, these are the elements that are being given to you. So, what we've done is we've arranged them in periods and we've arranged them in groups. Left to right across a period, what happens? Metallic character decreases, right? Non-metallic character increases. Down the group, metallic character increases. अब left to right अगर metallic character आपका decrease कर रहा है तो सबसे कम metallic कहाँ हुआ जो सबसे right पर है? So, germanium को आपने place कर दिया, फिर आपने gallium को place कर दिया. Now you must be confused कि यार magnesium पहले आएगा कि calcium पहले आएगा. So इसको check करने के लिए you will see down the group क्या हो रहा है. Down the group metallic character increase कर रहा है, which clearly means magnesium is going to be less metallic as compared to calcium. So you've placed magnesium, then you've placed calcium and potassium. Something which is this element is on the left side, right? It's going to be the most metallic. Kani says got this one wrong. It's okay. Lavya says, ma'am, leaderboard. Lavya की बात मान लेते हैं. Let's see how the leaderboard is looking now. Is it the same or are there changes? Well, there are some changes over here. I can see Pratyush is there at the top now. Nishan, Muralidharan is back. Kanav, Rudra, Preetam, call me SBK, Pradiswar, Charvi, Akshansh. Some new names are coming up, guys. This is getting really exciting. मतलब कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा कि next leaderboard तक क्या change हो जाएगा. जिस energy के साथ आप attempt कर रहे हो, उसी के साथ continue करो. First half is over. We are about to begin with the second half. Give me a quick thumbs up if you people are all set for the second half. Quick thumbs up, quick smileys in the comment section. Show me how excited are you for the second segment. 100 rank, all right, 66th. Change हो रहा है, yes, नवाज, change हो रहा है leaderboard बार-बार. Great, awesome. You people have amazing energy which is just not declining, and I hope last question तक आपकी energy यही रहे. So let's move on. Let's see what's the next question. Question number 16, and the question is right in front of you on your screen. Which of the following correctly represents the increasing order of atomic radii? Atomic radius की बात हो रही है. 4 options आपको given हैं. Figure out based on their location, जो उनकी periodic table में location है. Come on, quickly. कैच फ्रेज आपका इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर है, ठीक है. सबसे कम रेडियस वाला सबसे पहले एंड स्लोली इंक्रीजिंग. क्लॉक इज टिकिंग, स्पीड अप गाइस, टाइम इज अबाउट टू बी ओवर एंड इन फैक्ट इट इज ओवर. टाइम्स अप. लेट्स सी. मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट दिस वन राइट, बट सम ऑफ यू फाउंड दिस क्वेश्चन अ बिट खुराफाती आई गेस. चलो लेट्स सी क्या सोल्यूशन था. ध्यान से देखो, ये सारे एलिमेंट्स सेकंड पीरियड के एलिमेंट्स हैं. लेफ्ट से राइट जब हम जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ शेल्स आपके कांस्टेंट रहते हैं, राइट. इन सब में कितने नंबर ऑफ शेल्स है? 2 शेल्स आते हैं, के एंड एल. अफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज मगर बढ़ता रहता है. अगर अट्रैक्शन बढ़ रही है सो साइज को क्या होगा, एटॉमिक साइज विल कीप ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. सो द करेक्ट ऑर्डर इज गोइंग टू बी नाइट्रोजन हैविंग the least atomic radius out of these 3 options. Then it's boron, then it's lithium. Yes? All right guys, let's move on and attack the next question, that is question number 17, and question number 17 is right there on your screen. Write the molecular formula of the first member of the homologous series having the functional group COOH. Carboxylic acid की बात हो रही है guys. Carboxylic acid में जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, याद करो, रिकॉल करो, एंड फर्स्ट मेंबर आपको लिखना है. काफी अच्छे ऑप्शंस हैं, आपको कंडेंस्ड फॉर्म में ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं, बट आई एम श्योर यू कैन स्टिल फिगर आउट व्हाट द करेक्ट आंसर इज. यस, रियली एक्साइटेड टू नो कि क्या आप लोगों ने इसका सही आंसर दिया कि नहीं दिया. ओके, ए एंड बी में बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज हुए. So this question needs a proper explanation. Let's see. Though most of you got this one right. Okay, when we talk about homologous series, obviously there's going to be a general formula, right? For carboxylic acid, it's CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Now, in this case, you had to put n equal to 0. When you put n equal to 0, what happens? C 0 हो गया, H क्या हो गया, 1 हो गया, because 2n plus 1, n is 0, right? So H1 हो गया and COOH. So HCOOH, which is formic acid or methanoic acid. Yes, Disha, you are correct. This was the first member. यहाँ पे n equal to 1 नहीं, n equal to 0 करना था. हमने थ्योरी क्लास में भी ये डिस्कस किया था. You remember? Great, awesome. See, I know you got this one wrong, but you've understood your mistake. I can see most of you write about कि मैम मिस्टेक समझ आ गई है. And that is the entire purpose of this session. Make as many mistakes you want over here. It's just our way to set you up for the board exam. Yes? Okay, question number 18. I hope you all are ready. So let's continue with the next question. And आपकी screen पे ये रहा. Which of the following correctly represents the increasing order of electronegativity? Okay, again, now over here, let's highlight what's important. It's increasing order of electronegativity. अब जिसको पता है electronegativity क्या है, वो तो ये question कर जाएगा. क्यों आती है electronegativity? Tendency to attract the shared pair, right? Now, based on this, quickly solve this. Charvi solved the question in 5.5 seconds. Great, Charvi. Nice. Thank you, good lead. Okay, most of you got this one right. 158 of you got this one right. That is awesome. Let's see how to solve this one. Now, for this, we are going to use the same trend across the period and down the group both. Okay, both way. Effective nuclear charge across a period क्या होता है? Decrease होता रहता है, जिस वजह से tendency जो है attract करने की वो भी decrease हो जाएगी. अगर टेंडेंसी डिक्रीज हो रही है, सॉरी, डाउन द ग्रुप अफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज को क्या होता है, Effective nuclear charge decreases, due to which tendency to attract electrons also decreases and therefore electronegativity decreases. Across a period क्या होता है? Effective nuclear charge increases. टेंडेंसी क्या होगी अट्रैक्ट करने की, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी क्या हो जाएगी? इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो अक्रॉस अ पीरियड इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज इंक्रीजिंग, डाउन द ग्रुप इट इज डिक्रीजिंग. नाउ you've got potassium, sulfur and chlorine. Clearly chlorine बहुत right side पे. Across a period it's increasing, right? Electronegativity is increasing. It's going to have more than sulfur. And potassium, it's a metal, right? Left side पे down the group जाता हुआ metal. Clearly it's going to be less electronegative. Metal की बात कर रहे हैं हम, right? Correct? All right, yes, you got this one right. Give me a quick thumbs up अगर ये समझ आ गया. Down the group, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज क्या कर रहा था हमारा? डिक्रीज कर रहा था, जिस चक्कर में इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी भी डिक्रीज कर रही है. अक्रॉस अ पीरियड न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज कर रहा है, ड्यू टू विच इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. And I can see you people posting victory signs. So all right, let's move on to the next question, which is question number 19. Let's solve this one. Question number 19 is right in front of you. अरे बहुत मासूम क्वेश्चन है ये वाला. Identify molecular formula of the compound formed by two elements X and Y having atomic numbers 20 and 17 respectively. Identify the nature of the bond. Okay, ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व किया था पर उसमें नेचर ऑफ बॉन्ड नहीं था. Remember, in this you have to merge these two things and answer. Maybe you know the formula of the compound, but you might get the nature of bond wrong. तो इसमें दोनों चीजें हैं, because the options are quite confusing. तो अगर आता होगा तो आपको options confusing नहीं लगेंगे, नहीं आता होगा तो maybe you will feel कि यार ये क्या question दे दिया. But I can see that you people are giving a unanimous vote to option C. So let's see what's the correct answer. Yes, option C was the right answer. And most of you got this one right. Now, you know why 74 of you went ahead with option A? क्योंकि आपने सिर्फ फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन देखा कि XY2 बन रहा है. सेकेंड पार्ट नेचर ऑफ बॉन्ड पे ध्यान नहीं दिया. यहां तक हमने पहले भी सॉल्व किया था, तो आपने बिल्कुल जल्दी से सोचा XY2 होगा, लेट्स मार्क ऑप्शन ए राइट. ऐसा नहीं करना. You have to analyze, you have to read the question carefully. Even in the exam, you know, you will get such questions wherein a single question can have subparts without even writing A, B and C. जरूरी नहीं है A, B, C लिखा हो. Same question का आगे full stop के साथ भी कोई part तो हो ही सकता है. Very important to read the question. This is like a lesson कि question को बहुत अच्छे से read करना है. Yes. So XY2 we all know how it's coming, right? X has an atomic number 20, 2882 आपका configuration हो गया. Based on that valency is 2. For Y it is 17, 2 it's 7, again valency is 1. Crisscross you get XY2 and X क्या करना चाह रहा है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करना चाह रहा है. Y क्या चाह रहा है? 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करना चाह रहा है. What kind of bond is being formed? It is ionic. You're welcome, Pranjal. Yes, Rishan, absolutely. All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, again a very important question because इसके बाद हम क्या देखेंगे? Leaderboard. And as most of you are saying कि मैम leaderboard कभी भी बदल सकता है, so this is the deciding question जिसके बाद leaderboard बदल सकता है in your favor. Okay, which of the following functional groups is present in propanol? Is it ketone? Is it carboxylic acid? Is it alcohol? Or is it aldehyde? 4 options given है आपको. Propanol में कौन सा होता है? If I have to really highlight the keyword over here, it's going to be ONE. And again, you people are back with a lot of energy, with a lot of confidence. Most of you got this one right. 215 students got this one right. Option A. Correct. So when we talk about propanol, it's a ketone and it's like the simplest ketone possible, right? Ketone हमेशा middle में होता है. That carbonyl group is always in the middle in case of a ketone. So obviously it needs a neighbor on the left, it needs a neighbor on the right, and this gives us the answer as propanol being the simplest ketone and the functional group is without a doubt ketone. Okay, 0.5 second में किसने आंसर दिया है? शिवांशु सोनी. I can see you people are just saying ma'am leaderboard. 0.2 second में G Nandan. Noted. All right. Okay. Patience, guys. Patience. Leaderboard is right there. Let's see how is it looking now. Even I am really excited to see कि क्या कुछ change हुआ है. And to my surprise, it's changing every time. It's changing on all the levels. Okay. Nishant. Okay, Nishant is at the top now. Pradiswa, call me SPK, Harshita, Disha, Kanav, Gayatri, Rudra, Apar, Murali Dharan. Again, some names are constantly there, but some new names are there, and surprisingly, जो new names है वो बिल्कुल top पर आते जा रहे हैं. Yes. Great, guys. Awesome. Now we have a set of last 10 questions for you people. So buck up, speed up. I know you all are all pepped up, all charged up. Now is the time to channelize your energy, put it in the right direction. Last 10 questions. You know, when it comes to last 10 questions, it's like a countdown, which is beginning now. Question number 21 on your screen. There it goes. Element A, B and C forms a Dobereiner triad. The mass of element A and C is 7 grams and 39 grams respectively. Calculate the mass of element B. Is it 48 grams, 16 grams, 23 grams or 32 grams? Most of you are going with the same option in the chat box. And chat box is flooding with your replies. मतलब orally solve कर दिया. You are saying, ma'am, हमारी not just chemistry strong, हमारी maths भी बहुत strong है. मतलब हम orally question solve कर देंगे, हमें verbally हम question solve कर देंगे. We don't even need a pen and paper. This is the kind of confidence I can see जो आप chat box में दिखा रहे हो. And yes, you people are kind of proving it right also. Most of you got it right. 218 students got the correct answer, which was option C. Okay. Now when we talk about Dobereiner triad, हम average की बात करते हैं, right? So जो middle element का mass है, that's the average. Sum of the masses of the other two elements, which is mass A plus mass C divided by 2. When you put the values, it's going to be 7 plus 32 divided by 2, which gives you 23 grams. So well done, you got this one right. I'm sure ये आप लोगों ने बहुत जल्दी आंसर करा है. And leaderboard फिर change हो गया होगा, but we have to be a bit patient to see the leaderboard. Okay, moving on. Question number 22. Let's begin. Let's see what this question has in store for us. And हमारा question ये रहा. Okay, identify the correct structural formula of benzene. आपको 4 options given है. आपको correct structure choose करना है कि benzene का कौन सा है. First structure में you see double bonds are alternate. Second structure में you see that there are no double bonds. Last structure में you see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double bonds. And C option में you see there are 2 double bonds. Okay. So basically it's no double bond, 2 double bond, 3 double bond, 6 double bonds. मतलब before I could realize you people have marked the correct answer and 215 students got this one right. जब आप most of you when you get an answer right now, what I think is कि सबसे पहले किसने किया होगा और कितने टाइम में किया होगा. अनुष्का says मैंने 0.98 सेकंड में सॉल्व कर दिया मैम. Priya just wants to see the leaderboard. Arvind says 1 second. Naitik says 1.7 seconds. 0.8 Karthik says. 0.5 Divagar says. Who's this 0.1? Ramamurthy says 0.1 second. मतलब question पढ़ते ही tick. Great. Awesome. Alright. So the correct structural formula of benzene is this. C6H6 and there are alternate double bonds and single bonds. Yes? There's not much to explain because you've got this one correct. Absolutely fine. Yes, absolutely. I can see your confidence. चैट बॉक्स में आप अपने टाइम लिख रहे हो कि कितने टाइम में आपने सॉल्व किया. दैट इज ग्रेट गाइस. कीप अप द गुड वर्क. मेंटेन द स्पीड. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होना बिकॉज लास्ट 7 क्वेश्चंस हैं. 23rd क्वेश्चन आपके सामने आपकी स्क्रीन पे ये रहा. Elements A, B and C with masses Ma, Mb and Mc respectively, they form a dauber triad. Okay. What do you have to do in this question? You have to identify the correct relation between Ma, Mb and Mc. All right. Okay. You know the general thing, right? You know the general concept. Just rearrange to get the correct answer. अब जिसने जल्दी rearrange कर दिया, that student is going to be the one at the top. Yes? बेसिक मैथ्स है एक्चुअली इसमें. अगर आपको रीअरेंज आता है तो यू विल गेट दिस वन करेक्ट. बट येस, यू विल नीड अ पेपर एंड पेन फॉर दिस वन. मिक्स ऑफ आंसर्स इन द चैट बॉक्स. मिक्स ऑफ आंसर्स आते हैं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमें डिटेल में डिस्कस करना है. मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट दिस वन राइट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ यू वेंट अहेड विद ऑप्शन ए. 108 स्टूडेंट्स गॉट ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट, बट ए और डी भी बहुत बच्चों ने मार्क करा है. इट्स ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस. कृति शेट्टी सेज इट्स ऑप्शन ए. दीपक सेज इट्स ऑप्शन सी. Most of you are saying it's option B, but I see some of you going with option A and C. So can you tell, Walker says, can you tell a way to solve this? Yes, I can and I will. So let's look at the solution. Mass of B, that is mass of the element which is in the middle, is mass of A plus mass of C divided by 2. यहाँ तक सबको पता है. अब ये जो 2 नीचे आ रहा है डिनोमिनेटर में, just take it up. So it becomes 2mb equal to ma plus mc, right? अब क्या करना है, mass of c को left side पे ले आओ with a negative sign, because जब आप right से left लेके जाते हो sign changes, right? So 2mb minus mc becomes mass of a, and therefore you've arrived at the correct answer. Yes? Accidentally clicked. Believe in yourself says accidentally clicked. That's okay, not a problem. Okay, next question. Question number 24 on your screen. Let's load it. Let's reveal the question. And let's get this one correct. Newland's law of octaves was applicable till which element? Interesting. Was it magnesium, fluorine, iron or calcium? Recall the concept. Recall what did Newland actually say and figure out कि वो कहाँ तक applicable था. उसने एक टेबल तो बना दिया, बट वो टेबल कहाँ तक ऐसा था कि यार यहाँ तक तो अप्रोप्रिएट चल रहा है, इसके बाद बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Most of you are going with the correct option in the chat box. I'm not revealing the option right now, but yeah, now I can. So it was option D that most of you were marking, and this is like the best question that you people have attempted. 241 of you got this one correct. Very less students are opting for A, B and C, but most of you know कि यार कैल्शियम तक applicable था. उसके बाद बहुत सारी confusion हुई and you people are right. Law of octaves was applicable till calcium. This was like a drawback also. Newland का जब हम discuss करते हैं, Newland's के classification में एक drawback था कि कैल्शियम तक तो सब सही चल रहा है, उसके बाद it was not very applicable. Yes? You remember this table Newland का? Great, awesome. All right, moving on. Guys, 25th question, which means after this what's going to happen? We are going to reveal the leaderboard. And I'm sure you want to know how the scoreboard is looking now. So be ready, no silly mistake. All focus, all concentration over here. Question number 25 is right there on your screen. Identify the incorrect statement about allotropes. Now, they are saying incorrect. तो सारे options read करना अच्छे से. Allotropes have the same physical properties. Allotropes have the same chemical properties. Allotropes are the different forms of the same element. Diamond, graphite and fullerene are allotropes of carbon. You still have 10 seconds. First try to get this one right. फिर speed पे काम करना है. Incorrect statement पूछे, which means एक को छोड़ के बाकी तीनों सही होंगी. Yeah, that's the meaning of incorrect, isn't it? Let's see. 177 of you got this one right. Most of you got this one right, which is good. That means you could actually figure out, and I'm sure जो बाकी के बच्चे जिन्होंने बहुत जल्दी में आंसर करने की कोशिश करी है, उन्होंने पढ़ा allotropes, पहला स्टेटमेंट पढ़ा, करेक्ट मार्क कर दिया, but question incorrect था, isn't it? So when we talk about allotropes, they've got different arrangement of the same element, right? So physical properties क्या हो जाएंगी? Different हो जाएंगी. क्या सेम होगा? केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. क्यों? बिकॉज असेंशियली देयर एटम्स ऑफ द सेम एलिमेंट. कार्बन फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे इन्होंने जैसे आपको डायमंड दिया, बकमिंस्टर फुलरीन दिया, ग्रेफाइट दिया, सब कार्बन के एलोट्रोप्स हैं. या इफ यू अंडरस्टूड, क्विक थम्स अप. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. लीडरबोर्ड, 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 आई कैन सी दैट. All right, chalo. Let's load the leaderboard and let's see how is it looking now. Okay. More or less the same, is it? Or is it going to change? Nishant is still there. Very impressive performance. Pradiswar is there. Harshita, Disha, Apar, Gayatri, Muralidharan, Rudra, Dhruvi, call me SBK. Dhruvi, you here for the first time. Great, awesome. I can see some kids are here for the first time. Most of you are maintaining this leaderboard position, which is awesome. Let's move on to the final 5 questions, and they can change the way the leaderboard looks. Yeah. So question number 26, right in front of you guys. I don't want to see any drop in your energy levels. Same energy के साथ solve this and I identify the correct representation of aldehyde. Is it RCOOH, RCOR, RCHO और ROH? आपको फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स अगर पता है तो आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन एकदम सॉल्व कर दोगे. बहुत मासूम सा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. एल्डिहाइड को हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? जनरल फॉर्मूला गिवन है आपको सबके. बेस्ड ऑन दिस मार्क द करेक्ट आंसर. Okay, you can smile now. Most of you got this one right. So you can take a sigh of relief. 174 of you got this one right and marked option C. But I can see 44 went with option A also. Okay, A was acid, guys. Aldehyde. First option was RCOOH. That was carboxylic acid. COOH, right? RCOR is ketone, carbonyl group in the middle. RCHO. CHO is the aldehyde group, right? ROH, hydroxyl group. Alcohol. So this was the order out of which aldehyde is RCHO. It's okay, Vaishnavi, join in, start attempting from here. That's okay, be a part of the quiz now. Okay, next question, which is question number 27, and the question is right in front of you. Which of the following elements was not placed correctly in Mendeleev's periodic table? Now the focus is not placed correctly. Was it hydrogen, carbon, oxygen और nitrogen? किसी एक एलिमेंट की पोजीशन पे ना बहुत डिस्कशन हो रही थी कि यार इसको किस ग्रुप में रखना है. 2 ग्रुप्स में कंफ्यूजन थी. ये कौन से एलिमेंट की हम बात कर रहे हैं? इज इट हाइड्रोजन, इज इट कार्बन, इज इट ऑक्सीजन और इज इट नाइट्रोजन? कौन सा ऐसा एलिमेंट है यार जिसको लेके कंफ्यूजन थी? थिंक अबाउट दिस. ग्रेट. You people are actually very well prepared. I can see that. 248, I mean this is the highest till now. 248 students got this one correct. That is option A, hydrogen. So Mendeleev के periodic table में hydrogen की position हम fix नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Yeah? Why? Let's see. जब हम hydrogen की बात करते हैं, it showed properties similar to group 1 also and group 7 also. So it was a bit confusing. तो क्या हम हाइड्रोजन को रखें कहाँ? ग्रुप 1 में रखें या ग्रुप 7 में रखें? So no fixed position was being assigned to hydrogen. And with this we are done with this question. Moving on to the next one, which is question 28. 3 questions left, guys. Buck up, charged way में आंसर करना है. Question आपके सामने ये रहा. Identify the set of elements which can be classified together based on the given properties. Okay, you have to answer this one very carefully. They are saying सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आपको गिवन है एंड एक प्रॉपर्टी उनके सामने गिवन है. आप तीनों को किस वे में टुगेदर रख सकते हो? पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम बेस्ड ऑन वैलेंसी, और कार्बन, potassium, sodium based on whether all these are non-metals or not. Hydrogen, fluorine, lithium based on their valence electrons. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, whether all these are metals or not. तो एक property आपको given है. See, when such a question comes, it's very important for you to understand the question first. आपको 3 elements given है and एक property given है. उस property के basis में अगर आप उन्हें साथ में रख सकते हो, mark that option right. But now the time's up. Okay, still most of you got this one right, which is really good. I know थोड़ा सा खुराफाती question था, थोड़ा सा सोचने वाला question था. Still, most of you managed to get this one right. We will be discussing the detailed solution. Don't worry about this. So, पहला option क्या था आपका? Potassium, calcium, magnesium, and property क्या given थी आपको? Valency. Potassium की valency 1, calcium, magnesium की 2. Same number नहीं आ रहा, तो that means valency के basis पे they cannot be placed together. Wrong option. Rule out. Moving on to the next one. Carbon, potassium, sodium, and the property was whether they are metals or non-metal, right? Carbon is clearly a non-metal. Potassium, sodium हमारे metals है. Again, one common classification cannot be given, so ruled out again. Now what are we left with? 2 options, right? Option C, hydrogen, fluorine, lithium based on valence electrons. Now this was a tricky one. Valency होता तो शायद आप फिर भी इसको सेम ग्रुप में रखते, राइट? रखते ही मतलब. बट वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, हाइड्रोजन 1, फ्लोरीन 7, लिथियम 1. वैलेंसी होता तो 1 1 1 हो जाता, प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्व थी. यहाँ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन था. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन वाज बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम. अगेन इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन कि आपका मेटल या नॉन मेटल का बेसिस है. ऑल आर मेटल, दे कैन बी प्लेस्ड टुगेदर. वीव गॉट द सेम क्लासिफिकेशन ओवर हियर. So, जिस भी ऑप्शन में आपको बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम गिवन था, that was the correct answer. Ankit Mishra says, I've realized my mistake. Nishan says, ma'am, it was a bit tough. Yes, it had to be a bit tough. We are coming to the end of the session, almost there, right? Final leaderboard is about to be revealed. So, yes, you can expect such questions. Great, Yatish, good to know that. Easy, tough, easy, tough. Great, okay. जिनका सही आ गया उनको इजी लग रहा है, आई गेस. जिनका गलत आया उनको थोड़ा सा टफ लग रहा है. Nonetheless, I hope all of you've understood the concept, the idea behind it. Give me a quick thumbs up if it's clear. Great, great, great. Quick thumbs up, quick thumbs up. Or a smiley if you've got this one right and you've understood how to solve. Great, awesome. Thank you so much. Let's move on. And let's see what is question number 29. Guys, 2 questions left. I am really enjoying the session and I can see you people are really enjoying the session too. But now, be very careful. 2 questions are left. Question number 29 on your screen is right there. Identify the correct structure of graphite. Graphite का सही structure आपको mark करना है. ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी, 3 ही ऑप्शंस हैं. तीनों ऑप्शंस में बेसिकली जो एलोट्रोप्स है कार्बन के अलग अलग वे में अरेंज्ड होते हैं, राइट? तीनों दिए हुए हैं. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज फिगर आउट कि ग्रेफाइट कैसा दिखता है, राइट? ओके, क्विकली डू दिस वन. लाइटनिंग स्पीड से कर दो यार ये वाला. आई होप यू गॉट दिस वन राइट. And let's see. Awesome, guys. Well done. So 208 students got this one right. Great. Yeah, very good. Okay. Let's see why others got it wrong. Graphite में क्या होता है? Each carbon atom, it's being bonded to 3 other carbon atoms, right? In this way. Hexagonal arrangement है यहाँ पे. Clearly. Yeah? So this was the structure of graphite. बिल्कुल structures याद रखने हैं, guys. अगर आपको बनाने को नहीं दे रहे तो आइडेंटिफाई करने को तो दे सकते हैं ना. यस, ओके, ऑल राइट. सो नाउ वी आर ऑन टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 is going to appear right now. Buck up, अच्छे से आंसर करना है. This question is going to decide the final version of the leaderboard. I am really excited to see what the question is and how many of you will get this one right. I am sure you people are equally excited. So without further delay, let's dive into the question and let's see what's the question. Okay, which of the following elements had the same properties as eka boron? Is it scandium? Is it aluminium, gallium or titanium? Think about this one. You've got 4 options. Eka means 1. First, remember? Scandium, aluminium, gallium, titanium. Final question that is going to decide the final answer, that is going to decide the leaderboard. Time's going to be up and it's over. 167 of you marked option A as the correct option. Now in this Menti Quiz, we've given you 4 options. Maybe in the exam, they might directly ask you कि एका बोरॉन कौन सा element था जो बाद में discover हो. So this is an important concept. In case you got this one right, go back, revise it. 3 ही तो elements हैं. Yeah. So keep looking at it every day and I'm sure you will be able to understand. So well done that you've got this one correct. Eka silicon was germanium, eka aluminium was gallium and eka boron was scandium. Yes. I know, it's, you people are really excited to see the leaderboard. First of all, well done. Before I show you the leaderboard, well done guys, you people have been amazing today. I had a lot of fun with you people. I had a lot of interesting moments over here where you people were just flooding the chat box with the correct answer with so much of energy. So well done. All right, now it's the time to show you what you've been waiting for. That is the final version of the leaderboard. Let's see who is ruling this leaderboard today. And let's see. Nishant, well done Nishant, very impressive performance. You are the clear winner of the series. We've got Harshita, Apar, Murali Dharan, Disha, Dhruvi, call me SBK. Chemistry Philic is back over here. Rudra, Charvi, awesome guys, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने perform किया. If your name is there, that means you people are really, on the right track when it comes to your preparation. If your name is not there, I am sure you got it right, you got the answers right, but शायद speed पे थोड़ा काम करना पड़ेगा कि हम जल्दी से correct answer तक पहुंच पाए. Nonetheless, the session has been amazing. Thank you so much for being there, guys. It was amazing to have you, all of you. And as I keep telling you, we've got you covered. We will be coming up with a lot of interesting sessions for you people to make sure that you people ace the exam. Yes? Alright, now the next session that we have is going to be again a Menti Quiz. I know you people are really excited for this. Complete Maths Syllabus Menti Quiz Part 1, which is going to be on Wednesday, April 13, and it's going to be at 7 p.m. Now, there's a link being given to you in the description box for a free trial class. Go ahead, try this out. I am sure you will like the content. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So when you encourage us, it feels really good, right? So don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any notification from our end. So guys, thank you so much for being there. I hope you found the session informative, you found the session interesting. If yes, give me loads of thumbs up in the comment section and give me loads of smileys that you people are going to practice a lot. Great, awesome. Thank you so much, guys. All right, Aviraj Sharma is here, giving loads of thumbs up. Great, great, great. All right, guys, keep practicing, keep working hard like this, and I'm sure you will be able to ace the exam. Yeah? Chalo, it's time to sign off now. Practice karte raho, smile karte raho, and I'll see you in the next session.